Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. I got some money left over, so we're gonna give it out. I do this every single time I'm in Samoa. On the last day, whatever money I have left over in my wallet, I'll just drive down the road and I'll randomly pick people on the side of the road to leave some money with them, and I'll stop and have a chat with them, and I'll let them know that I don't want anything that they're selling, but I just wanted to leave this money with them, just even if it helps out just a little bit. This is one way that I like to serve my people and my country, and I've attached a few videos. I don't really like to share this, but seeing that it is Christmas time, I'm hoping that this can inspire people who are in a position to give to those who are a little bit less fortunate than us.